Hey guys, this is very quick video, and this video is just going to be about YieldMax geographical expansion. YieldMax Europe, YieldMax UCITS ETFs are now available in Europe. If you live or you know someone in Europe, know that YieldMax is expanding. You don't just have to be an investor in the US or Canada or North America. I'm going to show you how many countries these YieldMax ETFs funds are available to purchase. All the funds that YieldMax has for Europe are now going to be on the main YieldMax website. They are going to have a separate website. I'm going to leave a link of that website on description below. Here is YieldMax ETFs options for your income. They have YMAG, YieldMax Big Tech Option Income ETF. But they have more funds, active alternative income ETFs. The case for you to invest in these ETFs, the first one is high yield opportunities, target frequency distributions, convenience, diversify, cost effective, expertly managed, liquidity, flexibility. So these are the main things you should consider having these YieldMax ETFs. If you are an investor who resides in Europe, I admit this website looks pretty cool, better than the main YieldMax website. Now let's look at the funds that they have. Digital economy, ETFs, global equity, ETFs, future of energy, ETFs, defense and aerospace, metal and mining, sustainable gold ETFs. There are a bunch of ETFs to choose. So if you're an investor who lives in Europe, then you should go on this website and explore. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. If we dig a little bit deeper on YMAG, this is YMAG, European YMAG. It's not the one we have in the US, which is the Magnificent Seven. This is different. Inception was March 25th, 2025. Base currency is a US dollar. Domicile is Ireland. And income treatment is distribution, and distribution frequency, they pay monthly. You can go on this website and explore more funds if you are an investor who is interested. Countries that YieldMax has applied and has registered are as follows: Austria, France, Italy, Norway, Denmark, Germany, Luxembourg, Sweden, Finland, Ireland, Netherlands, and United Kingdom. If you're a resident of any of these countries, you can buy. The main key to remember here, especially for people who live in Europe, is that these ETFs, they're going to have base currency as USD. So that can be a little bit headache for people to do conversion. That's all I can say. Custodian of this fund seems to be very credible, which is a US Bank Europe, trading as a US Bank Depository Service Limited. This is just the same as their European and Chinese and Asian stocks that are traded on New York Stock Exchange. It is the US assets, but traded on different exchange. Pretty cool. If you're a person who lives in Europe and you are interested to know more about this, I can go deeper, but I don't think I'm going to be giving too much update on these ETFs because there are so many other funds in the US that I have keep update on. This is just a quick update on YieldMax expansion into European market. So if you live in Europe, this is a good news for you. If you live in the US and you know someone in Europe who's asking you about this type of funds, then you can always give them reference to this website and they can look into this. That's all I have for today's update. If you don't want to miss any type of update, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you like this type of content, always smash the like button. Thank you very much for watching. Till I meet again next video. Bye bye.